Next slide. So, okay, our idea is very simple. There are many apps and technologies out there for helping you track activity. I want to help you track inactivity, which seems counterintuitive, but actually the current evidence suggests that this is independent of the amount of exercise you do, a very important risk factor for chronic conditions. So if you go to the next slide, and this is not something that's adequately addressed with current sort of methods that are out there. So we created this app. It plugs into your Fitbit data in real time to track what we call sedentary time. Okay, so if you go to the next slide. So we were provided sample data by this very fine specimen of humanity here. And sorry, I didn't mean it that way. But so the way the app works is you've got this sort of home screen with a so it tracks stretches of sedentary time. So if you go to the next slide, as those stretches get longer, next slide, it becomes progressively more miserable, and the blue is the stretches of sedentary time here, and the colored sort of red and orange, those are bursts of activity. Now these two visualizations are actually quite unique. We do have an alert system which will prompt you to move after a predetermined amount of time. But if you look at Kieran's kind of profile, the take-home message here is that basically his weekends, I would say, are a healthier activity profile than his weekdays, because you get much more interruptions of those sedentary stretches. Okay, and that's the kind of unique insight that you can get through this kind of app. So if you go to the next slide. So we want to tie it into some other neat features as well. We can gather information about people's occupations, and your sedentary profile could be matched to these sort of occupations, just to give you an interesting insight. And we also want to connect with other apps, particularly the Medtronic stuff. If you go to the next slide. So again, very topical area of research right now. But they're looking at sedentary time as a really useful indicator of overall diabetes risk, and I think this will play a very important role in trying to create models for these kinds of risks, and trying to create predictive models of glucose metabolism and the like. So really the key message is the current recommendations for what it means to be physically active in a healthy way are actually going to be dramatically changing over the coming years. Okay, and this app could be the first in a whole raft of efforts that you will see that will be designed to really change your perception of what it means to be active and inactive in a healthy way. Thank you.